Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll use concepts of domain and range to solve the problem. As per the problem, find domain and range of their relations, and we are given two relations. Let's start with the first one. The first relation is given to us in the form of a mapping diagram. There are two ovals with numbers in them, and the numbers are connected by arrow lines. Before we find the domain and range of this relation, let's understand what domain and range mean. Domain is set of all possible x values or independent variable values for a relation. Range is set of all possible y values or dependent variable values for a relation. In order to find the domain and range of this mapping diagram, we have to identify the independent variable and dependent variable values in this mapping diagram. Let's analyze the diagram. We use the arrow lines between the numbers to find out which numbers represent the independent variable and which numbers represent the dependent variable. As you can see in these arrow lines, the lines start from numbers on the left side and the arrows are on the right side. That means independent variable values are in the oval on the left side. And the dependent variable values are in the oval on the right side. So for the independent variable value 2, the dependent variable value is 2. For the independent variable value 4, the dependent variable value is 9, and so on. Now we can write the domain and range. Let's start with the domain. Domain is for values of independent variable. Since we are given 4 specific values for the independent variable, 2, 4, 5, and 6, the domain should be these 4 independent variable values. We can write these values in curly brackets separated by a comma and in the ascending order or least to greatest. This is the domain of the mapping diagram. Now we can write its range. Range is for dependent variable values, and we are given 4 specific dependent variable values, -3, 0, 2, and 9. So for range, we can list these 4 values in ascending order or least to greatest in curly brackets. This is the range of the given mapping diagram. We are done with the first relation. Now we can analyze the second relation. The second relation is given to us in the form of a table of values. The first column is for x values, the second column is for y values. Since we are given specific x and y values, we can list these values in ascending order or least to greatest for domain and range. Let's start with the domain. The given x values are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. We can list them in ascending order or least to greatest in curly brackets. This is the domain of the second relation. Now we can write the range. Range is for y values, and we are given 5 specific y values, 3, 5, 9, 3, and 2. In these values, 3 is being repeated. Whenever we write domain or range for given specific values, we should not repeat a value. This is an important concept we need to understand and memorize. So for the range, we should write the y values without repeating the 3 in ascending order or from least to greatest in curly brackets, and we should separate them by a comma. We start with the lowest value 2. We write 3 just once. This is the range of the second relation. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to find the domain and range of these relations. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.